song. Press me to your world where roses bloom. When you speak, angels sing from above. Everyday voice sings.
Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. And if you're a returning subby, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button if you have not yet. Getting kind of subscribed and stuff. Today it's my mom's birthday, so I am taking her out on to her favorite thingy. The previous clip or last night I did these things because my person who was supposed to do my hair today. Hi. Hey. So I'm gonna put on this bucket hats. It's a jean. I got this from Fashion World. Earrings are from Shein. Two-piece is from oh gosh, two-piece is from so look, Mr. Price. Yeah, Mr. Price. No, Jet is from Jet. And then yeah, don't mind the mess at the back. I'm busy packing for something very interesting that I'm not ready to share right now, but I will share with you. So yeah, we're taking mom to a beautiful birthday, and I hope that you enjoy it. We'll talk more when you come back. And oh, the reason why I switched on the camera is because I wanted to put you on, guys. Colgate Max White, long lasting. I thought the oxygen was good. Yeah, I thought the oxygen was good, but this one, child. And you get it with this Clicks toothbrush. This combo is comboing. This combo, shame. I have 2 decayed teeth at the back, which I need to go fix. But so I haven't been having as many problems with my teeth since I started using it. I thought the oxygen was good. Mara, this shame. So yeah, right now we're gonna head out, and yeah, happy birthday to mom. Hi. Girl is driving us now. On your birthday. It's okay. Okay. So we just got back from my mother's birthday, lunch, whatever. It's been hours since we got back, and yeah, man, it was fun. I think she really enjoyed it. I think we kind of did what she wanted to do. For the first time in a long time, we kind of like did what she wanted to do. So yeah, let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, I have a new robe on. This robe has been on has been there since like I think beginning of winter, but I really like the other one because it's not it's light man. And then yeah, so this one I was just like, okay, let me put it on because it is raining outside and there's like this weird wind, and I love it because it's very snug. And but I am gonna stick with the other one. Yes, I'm gonna sleep with that one. That one's the one that I'm comfortable until I get married and I don't have to sleep in such. Yeah, so Hanano, I am busy cooking eggs. I had a big lunch, like we ate a lot. So I'm kind of like feeling a bit hungry, but I give back like something heavy, you know, because I had a big lunch. So I'm just doing like 3 boiled eggs for just to get my protein in. And then I'm gonna have 3 boiled eggs, and then after that I am going to have it with my tea. You know how my tea goes, and I've been doing it for such a long time, like, and I feel like for the past couple of so the situation yes, this is one part of the kitchen. Guys, we are in no rush to finish it. So we're just taking it one step at a time, single-handedly with my mom, trying to get this kitchen done, but we're in no rush, honestly. But yeah, I'm just so grateful that I get to do such things for my mom, and I get to do such things with my family, because for like a long time I couldn't do such things because I was so like Nikita press was so much that I was told that family is not as important as someone. But yeah, we are not neither here or there. One day I'll do an entire story time. I'm lying, I won't. But I'm so happy. I thank God that I'm out of that place, you know. I'm out of that place where I know now the importance of family, and I understand the importance of family. And I'm grateful that they also appreciate my presence. They also appreciate what I do for them. I appreciate what they do for me, because we carry each other, man. And that's what's important. And I'm very thankful. Like, I'm in a state of thankfulness. I think 2024 for me is a state of thankfulness. Like, I am very thankful. And no, I haven't done my hair. I'm so stressed because next week I'll be, but hey, it's neither here or there. I'm so happy that, you know, I feel like 2024 is a year of gratefulness, man, where I'm so grateful. Like, my YouTube channel is growing, my social media on all platforms are growing. And on that note, guys, please comment on my videos, comment, ask me questions, talk to me, say whatever. You are more than welcome. Comment, like, so that other people can get to, our people can get to us, you know, can find us. Like, share, and most importantly, subscribe, so that this family can grow, you know, so that this family can grow and we can reach more lives and stuff like that. And just tell me other content that you would want to see, because I do sit downs once every 2 weeks. I do upload a sit down where I talk about whatever has been bestowed upon my heart to speak about. But then there are weekly vlogs, and I'm so grateful that I'm able to do that, because I was like, I can say so. Yeah. And happy, oh, before I forget, I have like a sisterhood platform where I have sisters that we meet. We do one thing that is like we cultivate, we show each other love, we support each other and stuff like that. So if you want to be a part of that, just let me know down in the comments below, and I'll be very much grateful. Okay, let me do my eggs. And then yeah. Let me call it a night. I'm gonna have eggs and coffee, and then I think I'll be full. After that, my daughter's playing with her phone as per usual. I can't wait for Golo to Bulu, guys. Like, this girl's so addicted to TikTok. But yeah, I'm so grateful, man. Like, my heart is so full of joy, and I'm so happy. I am so happy. Yeah, let me have my eggs, and yeah, good night. I love you. Don't forget to say your prayers. This is the meal, guys. I just put on and fix my lighting. Okay, this is the meal, guys. I just put on eggs, aromat, and my tea, and I'm gonna call it a night. I am so tired, but also I'm so full of gratefulness. So I hope that everybody has a blessed night. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't know if this is okay. Yeah, welcome back to another day in the vlog. Today it's that day I'm doing my hair. It's raining. I wanted to do a full face beat for this, but it's raining now. I'm just gonna do braids, nothing much, nothing hectic. So yeah, let me go. And I'm doing color. That's why I think I'm so excited. I'm doing color. Oh, the last time I forgot to show you guys this. I not like a scrap and shine is scrap it. Go away. He got and I have a visitor. Guys, Juang, ke khutlela mosebetsing Juang. Okay, it's fine. Okay, let me go do my hair. I'll see you definitely when I come back. And I've got so much to talk about. I mean the TD Jakes thingy. Not TD Jakes, the TB Joshua thingy. TB Joshua. Sharp. Yo, like it's raining. Cats and dogs, and there are potholes on this road. And I'm irritated by this TD Jakes, the TB Joshua thing. But funny enough, I'm not triggered by it. I'm just irritated by it. I'm just like, Maga, why? Maga, why? Why? Yeah, guys. Yes. I went to do my hair yesterday. Cute. I really love it. But as I was leaving the place, I got into an accident. So right now, I don't know what's the lighting like this? Okay, I got an accident. Yeah, so I got an accident as I was leaving. So right now I'm here to get nothing is problematic. I'm getting a courtesy car. I think the insurance will pay everything. There's no one who was injured, just the car. I was hit by a bus, but it's fine. I don't actually want to get into it. So I'm just here to just get a courtesy car. I am just thankful for life. I'm grateful for life. I'm grateful that everything works together for good the good of those who love the Lord. So yeah, I'm just here at Avis to get a courtesy car. I don't know, man. I just, I'm just so grateful. I don't know what's wrong with this lighting. Okay, yeah, I think here's better. Yeah, here's better. I think I'm just so grateful for the ability to be able to do such things. Like when I have a problem, insurance can pay, and then I can have another car. Such leisures in life. I am so grateful for them. I am so grateful for them because I know good thing who are able to do that, so I'm so grateful. So right now I'm just here at Avis to get my car. A car, I don't know how big or how small the car is. Actually, I don't care. I just want to be mobile so that I can do a few things. And then yeah, my hair is done. I was supposed to do my nails tomorrow, but with the amount of money that I'm spending, no child, I don't think I'm able to do that. So yeah, let's get this car. And yeah, I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful, Sham. But the TB Joshua thingy, we're still gonna talk about it. TB Joshua, if I catch you in that grave of yours. That is fine. I've been crying the whole night. Look at my eyes. I was in disbelief. Mark, I'm just so grateful to the Lord. Like, I'm still mobile. I'm still able to do what I need to do. Everything is fine. God is good. I'm just in a state of gratefulness. You know, I'm just in a state of gratefulness, man. Nana. Yes.
Yes, baby. Yes, baby.